Hey friends, it's Susan from Escapes. I have reached my destination. Yes, this is where I have been heading. AmaViola. Departing from Budapest, going to Vienna. This is so exciting. It's a ship that is filled with media, social media, and travel agents. So we're going to be learning all kinds of new things about travel with Ama Waterways. I am so excited. So for sure you're going to have to follow along and see my adventure on AmaViola. This is the lounge where you can come and sit on a comfortable couch, enjoy a glass of wine during the afternoon or evening. And as travel agents, we are here on a seminar, so we are listening to guest speakers, providing all kinds of information for travel agents while enjoying the view. This is casual elegance. Last night we were dancing. They have a good selection of wine and spirits. And you can help yourself. There's a machine that makes cappuccino, regular coffee, Americano, or Canadiano. And back at the reception. Hey friends, it's Susan at Escapes. Let's check out my room. It's cabin 315. Queen size bed. Lots of lighting. Plugins for your devices. And the reason I chose this particular room is I wanted a balcony. So this has a complete balcony with chairs as well as a French balcony. So there's a couple of chairs, lots of drawer space, computer for my use, closet, lots of hangers, a bathroom which has a vanity, shower, amenities, makeup mirror, a robe. So I think this will be glorious for 7 nights. It's a beautiful morning today. The sun is shining. That's where the captain steers us through the waters. Crew is taking bikes out for those of us that want to bike ride. If you want to play some chess, a walking route here, or a running route. Mind you, we do lots of walking daily, going on excursions. And with Ama, excursions are included. So that's pretty cool when you book a river cruise and you don't have to pay for any of your excursions or tours. Linz.
Streets the same way, therefore the same locks twice. Once we are coming back to Budapest, we will cut off this country. We'll be going up. For those of you who haven't cruised before, for those of you who are passing for a lock, first time in your life, they work like watery elevators. So imagine, we are cruising upstream, right? We have heights to overcome. Therefore, we need locks in the stretches where we have more difference in height. So this is one of them. We're going to enter an empty chamber, right? That chamber is going to be empty. Behind us, a wall is going to close, and water will start to pour inside of the chamber. We are going to be lifted until the point where the height's even and we can pass and continue cruising, right? The locks are also one of the reasons why the ships need to be narrower, right? For those of you who were today were saying, oh, such narrow corridors, it's a smaller ship than I expected. There you go, that is one of the reasons why we cannot have a big wide ship on the Danube, otherwise we won't fit the lock, right? The exception is the Ama.
So here's the first lock we're going through. This is so cool. So this works as a an elevator kind of. They fill it with water and our ship will start to rise and then we continue on. Water is rising ever so slightly. You can see we are almost at the top. This has been a very unique experience. Oh, now we're at the very top. And now we're moving through. This is so fascinating.
You can see the position of the thrusters. Because we don't have rudder.
Oh.
We have thrusters which are turning. So like this we are steering the ship. Active steering. This I can control both of the thrusters. You see the position now? If I move like this, the thrusters will move also.
Let's have a peek at room 312. This is double A. So there's a balcony and a French balcony, a little sofa, water, your plugins.
Thank you so much for watching this very important safety video. On behalf of our captains, the ship's crew, and AmaViola, I wish you a journey. Come back again soon.
Clock, plugins on either side, bathroom, shower. This is suite 302 and it is the largest. Sofa, area with a computer, water, coffee station, lots of storage, chairs for seating, French balcony, and this is a bed with a view. And behind those doors are closets. How wonderful to see the scenery go by as you're laying in your bed.
Review of our safety protocols on board.
And
No smoking on board.
bathroom is larger with a shower and a tub, double sinks, amenities, hair dryer, makeup mirror, robes. This is lovely. If you're wanting a spacious suite, this is it.
That one it's served, the one on the top is a black sturgeon cobbler. And the sauce is made of saffron basil. Wow! And a dash of basil. The one with the carrot. So please enjoy. With a baby octopus. Did you see the octopus?
Oh yes.
Yes. The sauce on the octopus is a Bernays foam. Yeah. And the one with the colored orange is a carrot puree.
Thank you.
And
then it's just gonna go.
boom.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, everybody, zoom in.
Second floor. So we're going to have a look at the rooms here. This is cabin 201. And when you're choosing a room or a cabin here, make sure you read the category and everything that's listed to make sure it's what you need. Now this is lovely. The bed faces the window. There's a balcony with chairs, seating area here, bathroom with double sinks, sufficient storage, shower, lots of towels, a makeup mirror, and the toilet is here. And there are robes and slippers. Each one of these cabins is just slightly different than the other, so be sure to review and make sure that you choose the cabin that you prefer. This is cabin 204, seating area as we come in. Plug-ins for your devices, a balcony as well, and a French balcony. Computer for your use, which is nice. Drawers. And the bathroom. and robes. Very comfortable. We're looking at cabin 208. There's a bottle of welcoming wine, computer, little settee, French balcony, bathroom and a shower. This would be perfect for a 7-night getaway. The walkway is beautiful. Let's take a look at cabin 221. And there are 2 beds that are very narrow, but if you're traveling with a buddy and you need 2 beds, this would be perfect. And a bathroom. Cabin 229. And this has a French balcony.
Please, always deposit.
Lots of hangers, umbrellas for your use, lots of storage. The bathroom, this is a bit smaller than some of the other rooms, so take that into consideration when you're booking. I'm on the piano deck, which is the lower deck. This is room 107. Clearly double occupancy with 2 twin beds, 2 chairs, and you have windows. If you're wanting to experience Ama waterways, this is a good choice if you want. If you want a little bit elevated experience, you would choose something with a balcony. But it's not going to deter your fun and enjoyment of a cruise, for sure. Shower, amenities, sink, makeup mirror, fluffy towels, all that you would need. Cabin 106 with pin lights, plugins for your devices, a computer, and again, no balcony, but that doesn't matter. You just choose the cabin that best suits you. And you can treat yourself to a massage here. You just have to make an appointment with concierge. And there is a gym. It seems to have all of the equipment that you may require. Free weights, ball, treadmill, bike.
Got a brand new on the
Selection of juices and water, orange juice, milk, lactose free, yogurt and cottage cheese, muesli, pumpkin, sunflower, almond, dried plums, Greek yogurt,
Wherever you want. You're in charge.
pancakes. They look good. I may have some of those. Sausages and bacon. Everything is so well presented. And he's making an omelet, and you can choose what you'd like in your omelet. Smoothies. Ooh, that looks good. Flavored water, fresh fruit, some sweet treats and different breads. Croissant. hash browns and potatoes, scrambled eggs and beans, cream cheese, fish, trout, smoked salmon. Everything is so clearly labeled. Salad, tomatoes, grilled mushrooms, olives, cured ham, different cheeses, pineapple chutney, Gouda cheese, pear chutney, and fresh fruit. This is beautiful. This is so pretty. Spectacular.
Because we put a cease and desist on them, and we.
Kelly LaPointe.
For driving us safely here. It's really stunning to see how.
When you book an AmaWaterways cruise, your excursions are included. So I'm going on a bus tour of Budapest today, and the buses are right outside our ship. This is really a bonus when you're booking a trip to have all of your excursions included, and you can do as many as you'd like in a day. Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes. Thank you so much for following along on my tour of AmaViola. I hope you've enjoyed it because I certainly have. Thanks for following, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe.